Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this beside me is my 1993 Nissan 300 ZX convertible. Autocross car, weekend car. Last episode, we were taking off and putting on, we're going to start putting on rear lower control arms. I hadn't done it, I got the one off, ran out of time. This episode is going to be solely me getting this back onto the car. This is the driver's side. Next episode will be the passenger side. I hope to do that all in one video and one crack, because the whole process is very similar from right to left. There's no simple tricks. Things that I got to make sure you remember is the seat collar, reuse it off the old one, and then there is a nice little plastic shield on the bottom side. I'm going to reuse it, put it on. I think it's there for a reason. I'm going to put it back on. So, all right, let's get working on this, put this back in the car. Let me take you to the car to show what we're working on. The issue we're going to have here, getting on and in, is I'll put it back on, put the bolt there, slip it in, slip it on through the lower bolt right there. God, jeez, boy, I'm sorry. Put in the lower ball joint, compress that up, torque that down. Once I torque that down, I'll put the axle back in, slip it through, and put the 5 bolts in, tighten them, torque them down, torque this back down, compress it again, and then torque those two down. So it's not that bad of a process. There's just a lot going on at the moment. I think that should do it. So from here on out, it's probably going to be time warp. Torque settings I will put in the description of the video and do them all at the same time. In fact, I'll go do that right now, and I'll tell you what the torque settings are right now. Let me get it on my phone because it's easier to do this way. Let's see here, torque settings. Go to the handy dandy app, which I have to go get to, which is being elusive, Z32 manual. We'll do this again like this so you guys can see it and hopefully understand it. Let's see here, we're gonna go to the rear suspension. Let's see here, the lower A-arms, which are these, this guy and that guy. Looks like that is, well, that can't be right. Oh, sorry, though, that is the sway bar link. Sorry, that needs to get put back on too. That is a really sparse 6.5 to 8.7 foot-pounds, but I think I'm gonna have to change that up since I have adjustable sway bar links. Those are literally go down till you squish the bushing properly. The actual bolts on the A-arm into the subframe are 57 to 72. All right, that's one of it. Got to flip over to the axle. I know this is out of order for everybody, but that will be this nut right here coming through with that cotter key bushing. That guy is an absolute astounding 152 to 203 foot-pounds. So you're gonna need a giant torque wrench to get that one. All right, the next one up is going to be, let's see if did I go past it the wrong way? Nope, gotta go the other way. Hang on here, folks. Slowly but surely getting to what I need. All right, the axle. Right here, the 5 bolts that hold the axle for the NA. You look at that, that is a nice 25 to 33 foot-pounds. So nothing too crazy, should be easy to get to and all that. Let's get to the ball joint. It should be right there. Ball joint coming in. Right there, you see it. That guy right there. Looks like that is a 58 to 69 foot-pounds. So not too bad. Those are the stuff on it for the torque settings. So we are going to go back to installing components, putting everything on, and bring it up. So hopefully this is a short video for everybody. I know this intro is long at 4 minutes right now, pushing 5. So, all right, 3, 2, 1, time warp. that's gonna do it for this episode, folks. Putting the A-arm back in. Only big problem I had was getting the A-arms, 2 bolts, the back bolts in. Just had to hit that with a hammer, slowly put it in, and then the ball joint itself was just, you had to get just right to slide up, and then I get a jack. It was a pain. Just so everyone remembers, 22 millimeter on the ball joint. The nut on the end. Oh, and by the way, big tools for that. It's well over, I'd said for 175 pounds. I'm using 1 7/16" socket. I'm assuming there's a millimeter equivalent, but that's what I got. You know, 3/4 inch drive. Massive stuff to go do that. So that's in. If y'all noticed, I did put the sway bar link in. That, if I remember right, for the stuff, you just squish the bushings until they push out very well. I put that, I had it on the softest setting. I am now on the middle setting. I like how the car handled that way. Other people's don't. Each car is different, and this car, I'm trying to put it in more neutral at this moment for balance, because I don't know how the car is going to handle with the new rubber in the rear, plus the rear shocks when I get it done. So, yeah, that's it, folks. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. But that will do it for today. Once again, my name is Z James. This is the Authority Workshop, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Oh yeah, forgot, like and subscribe. Bye.